MYNTRI ka kami da kai sport song ka sorkar jela uba shakal warji minda kasi khalai trik kolalingkon arja apsan ulawan ban play perda ya ka JINGPYNKHREH ban priang ka 6 Meghalaya games arja apsan ka ban pelong ha JOWAI West Jante Hills district ha ka jinglang bala pelong a district library auditorium mintang Agani ka sina don lang du MLA ka JOWAI constituency ma wailan mi kishila Padeiru chairman ka muda working president ka MSOA ba John F Kashing ka Komat Sudor wa Longbri IAS UDC ka West Jante Hills district ba BS Solia IAS ka officer sarkar jang kitanar ba phe na ror ki nong yalam shnang pat ki pat ba Nakaliang ukong san ula palat pat ba kumju i ka theme song video jang ka 6 Meghalaya games arja san kumju ula palat ya mascot ha ka dorbula jong khla thap sim clouded leopard ya balai kerteng ukyang ukong san ha bai jingkran ha kani ka si ulo ong ka jingpalong ya ka Meghalaya games manla usnam ka ta na do usnam arja arphuai arja arpsan kala long ka jingmentoy ka bakrau ya ka jala na ka benta pan penkio shushu ya ka kamile ka sports lingba ki kon samla Shushu ulong kani ka jingpalong ya ka Meghalaya games ka long ru shibenta ban penkre ka jingwan jong ka national games hapo ka jala hakini kisnam banwan da ka baong ka sarkar jala ka lamang ban pelut shibon ka pisa na ka benta ban tay ya ka laway jong ki kun samla ki badai rangile kai ba kenla ban pen pau pertai ki sap ki pong jong ki haki kamile kai sports ha ka bedai ba kani ka JINGPYNKHREH ka Meghalaya games ka sarkar kala penshna karpang ki jingtei Bat ki jing airong da ka bale ha ki ying school ki college bat ki dor par hor jong ki shnang bat ka ne ka long shibenta banyaram man ken tiu ya ka kam sports da ka bapanan kam ya ki te ki ying building ukermans camp da ka jing don kum ki ne ki lempung ken mi ki khon samla ke bakar pang na ka jila ha ka kami le ka sports bat ken sa yo ru banya shimbenta wat shadow ki olympic jong ki ri ka perthei wai ru ka jingkat bokher biang pa kani ka 6 Meghalaya games ka long ka bajab nakaliang umawailan mi ki shila ulai ka jingero ya baro na du ki officer jong ka district ki nong elam shnang bat ki pai ba ki ble trailang man priang sobha ya kani ka 6 Meghalaya games sa hajarpsan da ka ba ai jingero ka sarkar jala khamtam ya ka thanat sports and youth affairs ka bala pelong ya kani ka limpung hapo ka district Ula ang ka jingwan jong ka 6 Meghalaya games sa hajarpsan kalalong ka jingkar khu ka bakrau ya ka sor JOWAI namar shibon ki scheme penbha penmian apo ka constituency dang ha kini ki khendiat banai baladam pan penkre yaki la penpho penpheng ya kani ka sngi da ka jingrai na ka kenhun rai jong ka 11 tribe squire kat bai kentien ai khublei la yo no uba finally el parian ubadai general secretary ka MSOA ha kani ka Meghalaya games ka ba hnriu kan thop ya ka ar khundai tili ki jat jingele kai ki banlong na do ka ar phau tarek hado apsan tarek klaling kon arja apsan ha ka ba arteli ki jingele kai kenlong hanong ba shilok ka swimming ka ban sa pelong ha Caroline swimming pool Shillong bat ka golf Assam rifle golf course Latkor kijingele kai badang sa archery arm wrestling athletics badminton basketball boxing cycling football gymnastic judo karate do kho muay thai shooting softball sports climbing table tennis taekwondo lawn tennis volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling, wushu, kijingi le kaitan rai, kum ka roll ball, yoga sana, bat ka lawn bowling, ansapalong hagi jaka pa phe, jong ka nong ba JOWAI wa yajer bat kli tershi, jong ka West Jante Hills district, ha ka ba baro kinong shimbenta kilong, kumno, lai hajar praspa khandai ngun.
6 Meghalaya Games is over, then the schools and the colleges, the Bashnavi, they get to utilize all the investment made by the government in terms of infrastructure. But then again, like I said, it's because we have the best interest of our youth and our athletes. And we do believe that once we invest in sports, that sports is something that builds a person. You become more disciplined in life. It builds character. That is one of the reasons that we look into sports, not only in the aspect not only that aspect of sports, but in the other aspects of life as well. So we do believe that all our investment will not go to waste. There was once that I was asked a question that why is the government spending so much money on the 6 Meghalaya Games? I still remember what Honorable Chief Minister had replied, that it is not that something that we are spending, but in fact it is an investment in the youth of our state. Because we believe that the youth are the future of our state, the youth are the future of our country. And through sports, we hope that all these investments that have been made in building the character, they will build the character in them. So like I said, the 6 Meghalaya Games gives our youth the platform to showcase their talent. And of course, we have invested a lot of infrastructures, but then again, like I said, all these investments that they made in terms of infrastructure, in terms of funding the associations, the type of associations, all these investments that are made is because we have an objective. We have a goal that we want to achieve. We know that it's not possible for us to achieve all these goals in just a year or maybe in 2 years. But 10 years down the line, we will look back and we will appreciate the investments that was made 10 years. That is the outcome that we see in the youth of our state. It is because we have an objective that we want our youth, our athletes to shine on a larger platform. Like mentioned by the Honorable MLA, we as a government have decided that we would like to host the National Games in Meghalaya in 2027.
To the government of Meghalaya, especially to the Sports and Youth Affairs, for organizing the 6 Meghalaya Games here in the district of West Jaintia Hills. I think nobody will understand better than me as the MLA and the residents of the JOWAI constituency, the kind of benefits, the kind of different projects, different development we have been getting in this past few months. I think it is tremendous.
JOWAI tahun di West Jaintia pelani ke Belakir dan kita juga tahun ini kita juga sebabun school di colleges dan accommodation benih semilapian kita kalah mengkapai genre yang ikat sindon kambat pentre kamdon kecil-kecil benong hang tangile dunah tangile bun adanya pekat sindon kam deke ladadon benu kabadon kam mengilek suai-suai hamil ladadon sindon kam ba inlek bende pemiom ba di suai ngilek okey. Thank you, sir.